Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 5 minutes, so I will pause the recording software for now, and I will be back at market open. All right, going to go for put here at 38.50. Got that at 38.50. Put contract. And out for $50 right there. Good, quick little scalp. If you're not familiar with my screen, if you would look there, you would have seen that order white for a second, change green, meaning I was filled, and then you'd have seen that stay white for, I don't know, 3 or 4 seconds, and then it changed to green, meaning I was filled for $50. So it was literally $50 in just a few seconds. And I am doing options. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options, and I'll walk you through how all this works. And options sometimes can intimidate people because they have a reputation of being very complicated and advanced, and they can be made very advanced, don't get me wrong, but they don't have to be. You can approach them in more simplified ways, and that's how I approach them. So if you like to approach things in more simple ways, then I am confident you'll get value out of that guide. All right, I need to stop talking here. Maybe try again at 36.50. So I'm watching over here. I want to see this come down at 36.50 and then below, and then that would turn to green. We'll see if it wants to try again. It was close. You saw here. I think it showed up as 36.50, but never filled me. Close. Let's see if it wants to give it another try. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep it close. I'll keep it going. 36.50. There it is again. Wow, just doesn't. So looking like 36.70 now in hindsight was actually the proper point to put in my entry because 36.50 just didn't want to fill. But that is all hindsight there. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 40.50, in at 40.50. For a put. See what it wants to do here. And out for a little $100 scalp there. Very good. I will go ahead. I don't know what was that. $100 in 20 seconds, 25 seconds. I don't even know if that was that long, but I'll take it. I'm not a greedy savage. How are we at 13 minutes? I must have forgot to hit pause, so I'll have to edit that out because I don't know how we're at 13 minutes right now. That doesn't seem right. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 41.20, and I'm in at 41.20 for a put and out for $80. And I don't know, what was that? Maybe 3 seconds. So again, that was white, turned green, and then that was white down there and turned green. Puts me up at 230 with commissions. We'll call it 220. And I'm going to go ahead and call it good. If I can put $220 in my pocket in 20 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and, 21 minutes. 21 minutes and 33 seconds to be exact. And that is coming from right there. You can see I got out at 9:51:23. Markets opened up at 9:30. So 21 minutes and 33 seconds. I know some of you, and right up, good for you. Your sticklers like, no, Clay, it wasn't 20 minutes. It was 21 minutes. I'm like, no. It was 21 minutes and 33 seconds. So $220 in 21 minutes and 33 seconds. I will take it. Now you may be questioning, and rightfully so. It's a valid thought. But that's not a lot of money. I saw so-and-so make way more on TikTok or social media or something. And fine, good for them. But within my goals and world, I have multiple streams of income. I encourage you to do the same. And I'm doing this because not for a Lamborghini. You're right, Clay. But if you want that Rolex watch collection, if you want that private jet, $220 is not going to make it for you. Correct. But that's not my goal. in my stage of life, I am a father of 6 young kids. I want to spend time with them. I want to spend time doing what I want to do, whether that's working on my real estate investing, whether that's working at the teaching business at claytrader.com. So quick plug, go check that out if you want to learn more, or just spend time, with my kids. I want to have that freedom of time. And when you have multiple streams of income, and this is just a side hustle for me, I have, this is not a full-time thing, but if I can take 21 minutes and 33 seconds and put $220 in my pocket, that is worth my time. Maybe it's not worth your time. And if, like I said, if you have goals of wanting that private jet, then yeah, you're going to need to get bigger gains in that. But for me, where I'm at in life, that is a good use of my time, and I'm very happy with that. So I'm going to call it good, move on with my day. So I will take it. 21 minutes, 33 seconds, $220. I'm happy with that. So everybody take care. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.
First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.